Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2021 Hot Wheels. Today we have a 66 Ford 427 Fairlane with the white wheels. This is a winter edition, number 1 of 5, and here's the other cars you can get. You see 21 on the side of that car right there. And you see the 22 on the carbonator because of the new year coming. It says a 2020 copyright. We got some new additions to my Timmy Town. With the, see, we got a church, house, some trees, just to doctor it up. These are all things that are going to go in the backyard when I do my YouTube table this spring. Ready? Pop. Nice. This is nice, beautiful gold. Just fold that up like that, and there we go, as if it never happened. Alright. All 4 wheels roll well. This car is really sharp looking. Oh, the artist did a really good job designing this one. The color pops. The gold is beautiful. Steering on the left with the red, like a burgundy interior. Plastic bottom. Made in, guess where? Malaysia. So all this gold right here is solid gold. It's metal. That would be cool for solid gold. The table's not that ugly. It's kind of cool for a lowrider. Would you call this a lowrider? I would. When the wheels go up into the well, I call that a lowrider. You see that ball? No, I can. Oh, not too bad. Frontwards. How about backwards? Just as cool. Aha. Does it drift without crashing into any of our scenery? Oh, off the edge. Saved though. Oh, see what's happening is my table's getting taller than the stoppage. Oh, nice. You got to maintain control at all times. All the plastic is gold also. This is a real golden boy. I like that burgundy color too. The interior is the same as that color right there. Beautiful, beautiful dark red. Really pops. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. The Winter Edition 2021. Till next time. T-Ton out.